Hey guys, Morgan here, the Carolina Disney girl, and it is unboxing time. So we are actually in the middle of boxing some Boxy Charm boxes, and this one is a little bigger. We went ahead and did an upgrade for some of the premium boxes, which as you can see are significantly bigger. And this one, I want to say this one is July's, but guys, Anastasia, however you pronounce it. So this is Norvina, Anastasia, Beverly Hills. So everything in here is going to be that. Super excited. When I saw this card, I got all happy. So premium are obviously going to be more premium items. So let's dive right in. This big old thing is the first thing on top of the box. And you know it's a palette, because come on. Alright. So this is the Norvina Pro Pigment Palette. Let's see if we can get her out. Alright, so that's the palette. So it is the Pro Pigment Palette Volume 3. Expanding the Norvina collection, the Anastasia Beauty Norvina Pro Pigment Volume 3 is a professional grade artistry palette featuring 25 deluxe size high performance shades with a stunning autumn themed color story. Get even more Norvina curated shades with this limited edition pro palette and create your most artistic makeup looks yet. Alright, so whoa, brightness. Alright, so I have a huge mirror, and I got the little plastic. So this could totally be your like daily mirror. But let's take a look at these shades. They are, of course, very fall, very bright. And now one thing, they don't have any creative names like we've seen with other companies, but I'm okay with that. I don't need a creative name on my palettes every single time. But let's see. That's pretty. So that is the B1. That's the D3. So these are just very bright and they feel very creamy. Now, one thing I did think was interesting is there is like a little note on my card that there's a couple of these that are not intended for use around the immediate eye area. I'm assuming that they mean like maybe like not right here, like basically so close that it might accidentally get in your eye, which I thought was kind of interesting. I've never had a palette tell me like don't put this particular color immediately in your eye, but very cool, very bright. Definitely gonna up my makeup game with these shades. And this is a $60 palette, and with that price I'm glad it is huge. So let's get this back in the box. Alright, so let's see what else we have. Alright, so we have the Anastasia Loose Setting Powder. Perfect, brighten, and set makeup in place with loose setting powder by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This lightweight, superfine powder formula goes on smoothly as absorbs mineral oil, minimizes shine, and leaves you with a flawless matte finish. The silky formula gives a complexion of a seamless, soft focus effect, blurs the look of imperfections, and extends the wear of your makeup. So, there's a lid. Since I didn't think ahead, I'm wearing a black shirt, I am not going to open it. But I mean, that's definitely going to be a good thing to try. Always good to have a nice setting powder in your arsenal. Alright, so next we have the Anastasia Liquid Lipstick. So this liquid lipstick by Anastasia is a full pigment liquid formula that dries down to a weightless matte finish for smudge-proof wearability and long-lasting color. The comfortable formula delivers full coverage wear that creates the appearance of fuller lips and lasts all day. So, and that's actually like a really pretty nude. It's called Rock Sand. I'm not going to do too much because I do have some already on. It does, like, it feels very light. Actually, what I had on before felt heavier, and now it just really got lighter. That's awesome. And like I said, it's a nice neutral shade. Very excited about that. All right, next we have a tinted brow gel. I do like a brow gel. I have started to get in a brow gel. All right, tinted brow gel by Anastasia Beverly Hills is a lightweighted gel that sets brows with a flexible hold and tinted matte finish. The fully pigmented formula features light reflecting pearls that create natural looking dimension to your finished brow look. So this is the brow gel. And before I try this, I'm actually going to be a little smarter. I have my mirror over here. So I'm going to grab that. I actually don't have any brow gel in, so that actually works out. All right. Now, I don't know if this one is supposed to be, it almost looks like the color of skin, or if it's supposed to be the color of your hair. Like, I actually feel like it just made my brows lighter. I mean, it feels nice. But like I said, my only concern is I feel like it just totally lightened up my eyebrows. Yeah, this is called Blonde. So, needless to say, I probably won't use this just because of the color. I thought it was like a just skin color. But yeah. I mean, it works. Feels great. I don't feel like I have clumpy. Like, I've tried some brow gels, and it just feels like I've literally put hair gel on my brows. So, this actually does feel nice. So, let's see what else we have. All right. We have the Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. All right, so this says, get a maximum lash volume and fullness you can't stop bragging about with Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. The jet black, easy to apply formula instantly creates dramatic full volume, define lashes while specially designed hourglass shaped wand to separate coat each lash without ever weighing them down. Now, like brows and mascara, like, this company created the game. So if anybody's gonna have a good brow gel, anything for the brows plus mascara, it's gonna be Anastasia. And I have to tell you guys, like, this mascara, it feels like it's metal. Like, this is like heavy. Like, I feel like if I was walking to my car at night and had this in my makeup bag, I would pull this out because this would be my weapon. Anyway, so there is the wand. I do have some mascara on, but I'm just going to try just a little bit. It is kind of giving me it is definitely giving me a little bit more definition. So super excited about that. All right, so that is not all. We have one more thing. We have the Anastasia Waterproof Cream Color. So like a cream eyeliner. Waterproof Cream Color by Anastasia, full pigment cream color that provides high coverage and precise definition. This waterproof blendable formula is easy to dry. It's down to a matte finish that won't budge, ideal for shadow and liner application. Now this is jet. So this is like jet black. So personally, unless like I was doing like a serious goth look or maybe like for Halloween or something, I probably wouldn't use this as a shadow, but this would obviously be great for a liner. So I'm excited about that. And that is actually everything from this box. I don't know, and I apologize. My mom just went ahead and upgraded the boxes, so I'm not sure the additional cost for the boxes, but even if it's a little bit more, I feel like we definitely got our money's worth. So taking the calculator. All right, so the palette is $60. So I feel like right there, that's your money's worth right there. The setting powder is $38. The mascara is $25. The brow gel right here is $22. The liquid lipstick right here is $20. And the cream color is $18. Total of $183 worth of product that we just got in this box. And I can guarantee you we didn't spend $183. So great. So this is, like I said, the first premium box that we got. So super excited to see what else we get. All right, guys. So let me go. Did you guys get the Anastasia box? Did you guys get something different? Let me know in the comments below. As always, like and subscribe. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos as much as I am. All right, guys. See you later.